Welcome to Mastery on AI, a hands-on exercise. So earlier today, we have built a very basic application in AWS where we were giving a topic to generate a blog from the front end, and we were expecting a blog would be generated by running that query against an LLM, and the result would be then saved into the S3 bucket. Now, in order to practice that again, now we are going to build another application which will be basically for our students to understand how to deploy a basic calculator app in AWS using common services such as Cognito, Lambda, API Gateway, S3, SNS. In this particular list, you will notice we are not using the secret manager because we are not trying to access the LLM in this case. We are only just going to demonstrate how AWS services can be utilized to send some information from the front end, do some processing on the Lambda, and then send you back the result on the front end. In our case, we are using Streamlit for that. So let's quickly demonstrate what are the components we will be needing, what are the things we need to configure in AWS, and let's build out this basic application step by step, trying to understand how each of these components work together.